If ever you wanted something that's a sleeper and looks pretty conservative and goes like a cut snake or rabbit, this is the car. This is really special, so I better get my clipboard for this. They don't like me using my clipboard, but it says here SV08. So it's a special, very special. 50 built, you can see it here. HSV plaque, number 032, so it's the 32nd car built. Its colour is Sting Red, and it's believed there's only 5 finished in Sting Red. But this is the icing on the muffin. It's got a supercharged LSA engine that puts out 470 kilowatts at the wheels on normal premium unleaded 98 fuel. So that is amazing. It's the motor has an interchiller, which I assume is an intercooler on here, supercharged. It's got a ported blower, a Lingenfelter blower pulley, I don't even know what that means. It's got Higgins heads, custom grind, camshaft specially for supercharged cars, 4-into-1 headers into a twin 3-inch system. It's got a TH 400 auto. It's all been built for performance and reliability. It's, you know, I mean, really, it's pretty wild, but it looks normal. So, you know, if you're into performance and you want to shock your mates, this is the way to shock your mates. So let's just have a walk around it. I'll put my clipboard away because I don't need it anymore. Beautiful condition, 2-tone seats. It's got a sort of a shifter, like a drag racing shifter. Beautiful big HSV wheel. I mean, it looks actually very standard. It looks like a very nicely looked after HSV Senator, but it's very special under the bonnet, and in reality, one of 50, it's a very rare car. In Australian terms, it's one of the rarest. So have a look, Gray's Classic Cars online, Thursday night live, and see what you can make of this. It's you know, well worth, if you're a serious Holden collector, this would be worth collecting.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.